What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Minnesota Bass Man, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to install the DD-100 on your Vexilar FL8. That's what I have right now here. Before, I did have on this digital battery status reader, and there were some points where I couldn't really read these numbers, or you just get lazy like me and you just want to be able to see a digital display of it. So that's what I did. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to walk you through step by step on how I took and installed it into this area, or not area, but into this where the digital battery status was. All you're going to need is a screwdriver and needle nose pliers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take out the two screws up top here. So you just go ahead and take these two out. Once that's done, you'll pop off this bottom. Then you'll be here with your battery. Go ahead and pull this out. Remember what connections are what. These ones go to the battery. That's gonna be the one going down to here, and the one coming up to here. Hopefully you can see that there. I'm using a GoPro right now. I don't have an actual camera to do this. Then next you're going to want to take these pins. There's two pins, or push pins, in the back here. There are two little ones that are holding onto these. One here and one here. You just come from the back and you push that in, and they'll pop right out. Then you're going to want to, once you do that, hook up your transducer just like this. You're going to hook up the original one that's in the back of here. You're going to hook that up to this new one that's connected right here. Hook that up, and you're going to take the new connector and put it in the back of your unit there. And it's going to be ran, wiring's going to be ran differently than how this is, because they set it up to where it runs from the back into the hole down here. Can't do that because they put it in a different area. So now you're going to need to take the wires. You're going to want to go all the way up, down into the hole that's in the back here. Once you do that, you're going to have the two connectors that came off of these ones. All you're going to do is you're going to plug this one right into the positive. The positive, you're going to have your negative. Don't need that. So once you've done all that and you've installed it, you're going to want to put your wires in your area, or organize them so they don't get crimped or anything like that. Take your battery, you'll hook that up. Slide your battery in there. Take your cover, put it into the slots. Maybe, there we go. Take your screws. Make sure those are nice and secure. Then This will only work if the vexilar is powered on. So if it's off, you won't see nothing. Not even you can click your battery and it'll tell your battery percentage. That's another thing I liked about this, is it can tell your battery percentage just like this one could, but you get an extra feature on it. So this will only work if you're on, your vexilar is on completely. And see if I can get a reading here to show you that it works. You need to be at least 3 feet from the table. So it popped up there for a second, but you need to be like at least like 3 feet or so for that to even work. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll do my best to answer anything on there, and thanks for watching.